So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in a Pocket, and we have a new open source image generation model and editing model released by Alibaba Qwen, that is Qwen-Image, and given the benchmarks it looks to be a bomb of a model. So in this long video we would be talking about everything around Qwen-Image, different samples it generates, what are its different qualities, some technical details, and in the end, we will be testing out the model as well. These are the images generated by the model, and it looks quite cool. Especially, they have put on a specific focus on the text generation part. So, there are certain Chinese text you can see, Imagination Unleashed. It is doing wonders with text generation as well, as claimed in the reports. The model is completely open sourced and present on GitHub. Hugging Face model scope demo is also present that we would be showing up. And here are the benchmarks as you can see in terms of editing and English rendering and Chinese rendering also. It can take both the text in English as well as in Chinese. So this purple line, this purple bar is for Qwen-Image, and as you can see, it is able to beat out all the models here quite easily. Beat GPT Image 1, Flux Context also, which is the best model right now. Flux Dev, Bagel, C Dream, etc. There are certain demos as you can see. Image generation is quite cool. This is in Chinese, so I think you might not be able to understand. This you would be able to understand. New arrivals this week. Author meet and greet on Saturday. The text is very clear. This particular, if you see diagram, this looks also very nice, and even the minor of the spellings is looking correct. See this one. This letter is just amazing. The text written is absolutely correct here also. This Chinese, and I think they have put on a very special focus. They are marketing it like that it's the best text rendering model also. So these are few samples. Let's jump on to the technical details of the model. Here you can see they have also generated a comics out of Qwen-Image. This is that strong. So before we jump on to the demonstration, Qwen-Image, the open source AI image generation powerhouse, quite easily you can say given the samples. What is it? It is not just another diffusion model, but it is a full stack image generation system you can see. I will show you why I'm saying that. Because it has three major components. It is built on Qwen 2.5 VL, vision language model, which understands your prompt, language, vision, and context. Then it passes to a VAE, variational autoencoder, which compresses and reconstructs the image, and then it uses MMDIT, that is a diffusion transformer, the main generator that creates the final image with guidance. So it is a stack of three things. Text rendering that works, they have introduced something called as MS-ROP. I am not jumping into detail, but this is a key term they have used in a technical report that you should know. Previously, what used to happen, the model used to confuse the text with visual elements, like hello might get confused with house window, but now it's not the case. Data quality over quantity, so they have tried to include diverse type of data sets rather than just focusing on the quantity. Here is a pie chart you can see to understand what different types of data sets that were included. Progressive training, I think this is becoming quite a norm for image generation models now. They start off with the lower quality training, that is 256 pixel, then 640, and eventually went to the highest resolution, that is 1328 pixel. Talking about the benchmarks, I think we already saw that the model is already topping all the benchmarks, and it's the best open source model, and at times even the best image generation model if you even consider the paid ones also. It's quite close to that. Not just that, I think on human judgment and open source in AI Arena Champion, which is rated by people, top ranked open source model is present, and it is fully open source. Technical report is also given, weights are also present. Why it is different? It's quite reliable. It is multilingual also, so it can render text in Chinese and English, and smart editing is also present. How to use? The model is present on Hugging Face as well as on QwenChat too. So this is the Hugging Face page for the model. And if you go skip down to below, you can see that all the codes are also present on how to use the model. So it's quite easy to use as well. And I will be trying to use it in upcoming videos to demonstrate it how to use it Python. And this is the official platform where you can use the image generation part. Just click here and then get started. You just let me give it a prompt to show you how it works. A soldier in a war zone, and title of the image is Human in War. So we have pressed enter. You can test out the model on this particular platform. I will be just demonstrating you. The image is generated and you can see it's quite good. The text is coming out quite clearly, Human in War. This is the GitHub repo for the model. All the information that I mentioned here, all links are present here. You can check that out. The codes are also present here, and some samples are also present here for your reference too. So with this, it's a wrap. I hope you tried QwenImage. Looks to be the best image generation model, and it's a game changer. I think Qwen team is now on fire. They first released Qwen 3 thinking, then the coder part, and now they have released an image generation model too. This looks to be great, and I hope you try it out. Thank you so much.